prepared this writing pad TLM with the help of waste materials. This TLM is specially designed to beginner students. With the help of this TLM, we can teach our learners to write alphabet like English, Bengali, Hindi, etc. and digits, etc. Also, here I have prepared some alphabet, some digits. In this writing pad, if we put any alphabet, I'll tell our students to overwrite on this alphabet so that they can easily trace through their finger. Also, they can write with the help of marker pencil. Through it is prepared by plastic, so it can be easily erased. This is not only a writing pad TLM. After they learn alphabet and numbers, with the help of this TLM, learners can learn simple words like dog, dog, cat, cat, and simple sentences also. Here, if we put 2 or 3 alphabet here and tell our learners to write on the writing pad. In this writing pad, learners can practice drawing also. So, this TLM is very useful for beginner learners and can also learn writing, formation of words, 2 digits, 3 digits, numbers, etc. with great interest.